Hi, my name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little short sound demo video that I'm making today, and it's to accompany one of our Etsy listings. It's for this rather gorgeous horse skin drum just here. This is an 18-inch horse skin drum, as I say. It's got the hair left on here, as you can see, which is rather beautiful. If I turn it over, you can see it's laced with artificial sinew here. This is a horse chestnut branch handle, which has got a lovely design in the bark. On the inside of the frame I put some information, my maker's mark up there, Driftwood Hollow Drums, as well as birthed on the 14th of December 2022 in Knighton Parish, UK, and that's to enable you to look up the astrological aspects of the drum. If you are into your astrology, find out what energies were around on that day. And also I put in there ash and horse, which is a reference point for the materials used in the drum moving forwards, because ash frame and horse skin drum. Now I'm going to play with two beaters, a firmer beater and a softer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, so hopefully you'll be able to discern the difference between the two, and either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you decide that this is the right drum for you. So here we go. I'm going to start with a firmer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, and the softer beater. Lovely. Okay, well, I hope this video's helped. I hope you enjoyed watching, and it's made it more easy for you to make a decision and a choice when you're coming to purchase your drum online. It's very, very difficult. So that's why I make these little videos, is so you can come along and have a listen and make that process just a little bit easier. I'm Crow, Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.